Hello, I am Sachin Goyal and I welcome you to our channel eKunji. Today I will tell you home remedies for hiccups. Hiccups is involuntary contraction of diaphragm which repeats several times per minute. Indigestion, coughing, eating spicy foods, eating rapidly, emotional imbalance are the main causes of hiccups. Add some baking soda in a glass of water and drink it. It cures hiccups caused by indigestion. Cut some pieces of onion, sprinkle salt on it, eat them at gap of every hour. It cures hiccups. Take 250 gram water in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds in it. Boil this water with black mustard seeds. Now strain this water and drink it when it becomes lukewarm. It stops your hiccups. Subscribe our channel eKunji to know more natural remedies.